Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing the assignment for composite design pattern. Now the purpose of composite design pattern is to manage gracefully the part whole relationship. You all must be you all must be recollecting that we did file system wherein you have folders or plain files. So folders can have multiple files into it, or folder can have folder into it. Like this, you may have whole part hierarchy wherein from case to case it may differ. So you do not know exactly how to manage the multiple number of parts which are there in another part as the contents and the other part as the container. So this problem is very gracefully solved in composite design pattern. So it says map the participants for the composite design pattern from a given problem description and implement in a suitable object oriented language. The intent is compose objects into tree structures to represent part whole hierarchies. Composite lets clients treat individual objects and compositions of objects uniformly. When to apply? When you want to represent part whole hierarchies of objects. Clients to be able to ignore the difference between the compositions of objects and individual objects. Clients want to treat all objects in the composite structure uniformly. Whenever any of these things are applicable, you will be using the composite design pattern. So steps to apply: define an interface component, define a concrete class leaf, implementing the interface which is an individual object, define a concrete class composite, implementing the interface which is an aggregate object, write a client which will use composite design pattern. So this is the class diagram. Component is here, client is here which will have the main method, leaf is here which is the individual object representation, and composite is here which is the aggregate object representation. See, this aggregate object representation has got a list of children with it, and the list of children type is component. Since we have declared the list of children type as component, we can accommodate either leaf as a part or other composite as a part into a composite. So let's go ahead with this. What are the collaborations? Clients use the component class interface to interact with objects in composite structure. If leaf handle request directly, or else forward the request to the child components. Additional operations before or after forwarding can be possible. So the problem statements which are there for all the three batches go like this. For you, which is batch I2, you have a university has many colleges. Each college has many departments. Each department has a student count. Fit the above tree into a composite pattern and calculate the total students the university has. This is for batch I2. For batch I3, it is a country has many states. Each state has many districts. Each district has a count of citizens. Fit the above tree into composite design pattern and calculate the total population of the country. Batch I3, your building has many floors. Each floor has many flats. Each flat has a room count. Fit the above tree into composite design pattern and calculate the total number of rooms in the building. And this is something which is not there actually. You are supposed to paste your code and the output over here, and of course the class diagram. So I would say paste your class diagram, code and output over here. That's it. Thank you.